Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick overview and in-depth comparison review about these two password manager platform, which is Dashlane and Bitwarden. So we're going to analyze the strength, the weakness about these two platforms to help you make an informed decision on which of these password manager would be the best option for you in 2025. So to get started with a quick overview about this platform, so talking about Dashlane on the other side, it's a features-rich password manager with a polished user interface with advanced security tools and extra like a built-in VPN design for both individual and team. Now talking about Bitwarden on the other side is a highly secured open source password manager that offers excellent customization, transparency, and availability for both personal and business users. Now talking about the strength and weakness about these two platforms, I'm going to analyze the strength, the weakness of each of these platforms to you to help you decide which of these would be a better option. So starting with the Dashlane strength and weakness. So picking the strength. So the strength is has a clean user-friendly interface and a mobile app. It also has this built-in VPN included in paid plan. Also, it has a dark web monitoring and password built report. And here's the downside, which is the weakness of this platform, which is Dashlane. It has this expensive. It is more expensive than other competitors' platform. It also lacks some advanced control option for power users, and also has a limited free plan compared to Bitwarden. Now talking about Bitwarden on the other side, I'm going to review the strength and the weakness of this platform to help you make an informed decision. So talking about the strength, it has this open source with a strong security track record, which is very nice, and it's cool enough to be a good strength of this platform. But on the other side, free plan is generous and paid plan is very affordable, which is part of the strength of Bitwarden. Also talking about the high customizable with advanced settings for tech savvy users is also part of it. Now talking about the downside about this platform, which is Bitwarden, the interface functionalities has this less slick than compared to Dashlane. Also, no built-in VPN or extras is included in this platform, which makes it a downside and a drawback for the platform. Also, some setup offer may be too technical for casual users. So talking about the overall conclusion, so if you want an easy to use visual polished password manager with a built-in extra like a VPN and dark web monitoring, just simply go for Dashlane. On the other side, if you are prioritizing open source, transparency, strong security, and affordable, flexible plan for personal or business use, just go for Bitwarden. So that's just it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms and which of these platforms will be your best option. So thank you.